Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by signing into the Roblox account you want to change. Do that now. Once signed in, make sure the parent email or phone that set up controls is available because you will need verification. Next, open Settings and go straight to Security and Privacy to confirm whether account restrictions or a parental PIN is active. Do this early so you avoid backtracking, and keep passwords on hand to verify ownership when the system prompts for confirmation. Now remove the restriction. In Settings, go to Security and locate Account Restrictions, then toggle it off. You will be prompted to verify ownership. Use the parent email or phone to get the code and enter it immediately. If a parental PIN was set, type it when requested. If you do not have the PIN, choose the account recovery option, follow the emailed instructions, and confirm identity with the verification code. Make sure each confirmation completes before moving on to avoid partial changes. Finish by signing out and signing back, and so Roblox applies the new settings. Do this immediately. Then test by accessing a previously blocked game or chat feature to confirm removal. If you still see restrictions, double-check that the verification step completed and the toggle stayed off. If not, repeat verification or run account recovery using the parent email. Troubleshooting tip: if verification emails never arrive, check spam, confirm the email address. Then request a new code or contact Roblox support for help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.